Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you all how to unlock your temporarily and permanently locked Snapchat account in 2022 with new update method. Okay, so nowadays all Snapchat users, they are facing one problem is suddenly their Snapchat account going to temporarily and permanently lock, but they don't know how to unlock Snapchat account. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you all one new method. If you follow this method, then 100% sure you can unlock your temporarily and permanently locked Snapchat account. Okay, so if you want to know how to unlock your temporarily and permanently locked Snapchat account, what you have to do is just watch full video till the end, and please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update video. Okay, now I'm going to log in first on my Snapchat account. Then you can see my Snapchat account is permanently locked, and then I will showing you all how to unlock permanently and temporarily Snapchat account. Okay, so you can see I already put my username, and I also put my password, and then I try to log in. Okay, so when I'm going to log in, you can see here my Snapchat account is permanently locked. Okay, so now I'm going to showing you all how to unlock. Okay, so if I want to unlock my Snapchat account, then first of all I have to do is I need to choose any browser, then write down there account.snapchat.com. okay, and then search. Okay, and then you can see here is account.snapchat.com website is coming, and then click on there. What you can see is Snapchat. Okay, then you need to write down there your Snapchat username, which Snapchat is already locked. Okay, then write down their username and write down your Snapchat password. Okay, and then what you have to do is complete the captcha. Okay, and then you need to log in your Snapchat account, which account already locked. Okay, and then you can see here is a many option. Okay, so first option is my snap code, then my data ads manager. Okay, and you can see here is unlock my account. Just click on unlock my account. Okay, so after you click, you can see here why your account is locked. Okay, you can read properly, then when unlock your Snapchat account, maybe next time if you follow these rules and regulations, then your account on. Okay, then you can see there I am not robot. Just click on I am not a robot, and then click on unlock. Okay, once you unlock, click, and then you can see here is need to verify your phone number. Okay, so you need to select first your country, which country you are from, and then you need to write down your phone number, which phone number already associated with Snapchat, or you can use other phone number as well, which phone number you didn't use before to verify any Snapchat account. Okay, and then you need to click on keep continue. Okay, so once you click on keep continue, then verification code will be coming. It just need to wait. It just need some time to get verification code from Snapchat. Once you get Snapchat verification code, then you need to enter code, and then keep continue to click on verify. Okay, okay, finally I get verification code. My verification code number is 030830. Okay, after I write down there verification code, and then I need to click on verify. Okay, it just needs some time to verify. If everything okay, then it will be verified, and you can easily unlock your Snapchat account. Okay, Unfortunately, first verification code is doesn't work. Then again I get second verification code. Okay, so my second verification code is 433392, and then again I need to click on verifying. Then it needs some time to unlock Snapchat account. Okay, now listen properly. If you didn't do any wrong thing on Snapchat, like you didn't log in Snapchat account with any third-party apps, or you didn't break any Snapchat rules which is really against Snapchat, or you didn't do any abuse behavior, or you didn't do any suspicious activity, then your Snapchat account will be unlocked 100%. But if you do any mistake on Snapchat, then your Snapchat won't be unlocked. Okay, this is the only one easy and new method to unlock your temporarily and permanently locked Snapchat account. Okay, if you think that this video is informative and helping you all to unlock your permanently and temporarily locked Snapchat account, then like on this video. And if you want to know anything about lock Snapchat account, then comment on this video, or you can follow me on Instagram. Okay, if you are new in this YouTube channel, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update videos. So see you soon on next video. Till then, take care. Tata. Bye bye.